Yo, Tim Hortons, I don't know what's happening, but you done failed. You failed. This is Canada 150. You failed. I went to get a tea from Tim Hortons. And different lid. Okay, we're not going to talk about that. But I saw it was roll up the rim. I'm like, but it's not roll up the rim season. All right. I said, okay, maybe they're doing Canada 150. I get to my desk, finish my tea, and I roll up the rim now, and I see this. Yeah, Happy Canada 150. I had to ask my coworker, what the heck is that? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Then I go on Facebook and I find out that they're having a special release of a donut. A special donut release, never released before, on Canada Day, July 1st. It's a poutine donut. But guess what? Here's the kicker. Here's the kicker, Canadians. It is only available in the US. Hello. Hi. Tim Hortons started in Canada. Canadians is what made Tim Hortons famous. That's why you guys in the US have it. That's why you Americans that own it now, remember it's in Canada. It's not over, it's in Canada. Canadians like poutine. Poutine is Quebecois, Montreal. Poutine. I mean, what in the world? Why is a poutine donut only available in the US? What happened to the Canadians? Come on, Tim Hortons, get your acts together. You missed the mark. You missed it.
Yes, and stop putting cockroaches.
Gaby, stop. Get up. You missed the mark. Yeah, cockroach. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, somebody had posted a cockroach in one of the hot beverages at Tim Hortons. Yeah, and when they approached the persons in Brampton, Tim Hortons that I've bought hot beverages from, and I never will again because the people there didn't handle it properly at all. At any rate, Tim Hortons, you missed the mark, because you know how many special donuts, poutine donuts, you would have sold on Canada Day just because people want to try it. But guess what? You missed the mark. So what are you gonna do? You could have since July 1st and July 4th are 3 days apart, 2 days apart, however you look at it. You could have had a poutine donut in Canada and then had it available in the US a few days later. But no, you turn fool and turn idiot. Me don't know what I think about. Me don't know which marketing executive you have a plan out them things, but they did wrong. You need to get no acts together and remember where Tim Hortons come from. Is here, so where you can stand up at one Tim Hortons and look and you look on the next Tim Hortons. It's here, so in Canada. Here, so. If there was no Tim Hortons here, if there was no Canadians for buy Tim Hortons here, Tim Hortons would never make it in America. Tim Hortons would never make it in America, you hear me? So get no acts together. Get no acts together. Burger King owners that now own Tim Hortons, whoever owned Tim Hortons, get no acts together. Get it together. This is foolishness. Like, how are you gonna serve poutine donut in the US and not in on Canada Day? And on top of it, it's not just any Canada Day, you know. It's not just any Canada Day, you know. 150 years of Canada. I hope it fails. And it'll serve una lesson. Boy, I'm really disappointed. But I'd love to try the poutine donut, you know. But I tried the poutine donut. But guess what? We'll leave it up to the Americans to review that one day and tell me how it tastes. Them they even used to put, them they even know as well. How about that? Them know what poutine is. Them know what poutine is. Them know. sure.